This is Michael Levitis from jurisq.com, and I have here two attorneys from the law firm of Gregory, Spektor and Associates. We have two partners, Mathew Sullivan and Gregory Spektor, and Mathew deals with construction accidents, those types of cases. Mathew, very important question. Doesn't matter if the person who was injured is part of a union or not. And if they are part of the union, should they report to union delegate or supervisor as soon as possible if something happens on the work site?
That's a fantastic question. The law in New York State with respect to construction site accidents is slanted in the worker's favor, as it should be. Construction work is some of the most dangerous work that you can perform, especially in New York City, especially in the 5 boroughs, as you see these sky apartments being built every day.
Mm-hmm.
The law protects any kind of worker who's on a construction site and performing construction work, whether you're union, whether you're non-union, whether you're here in status, out of status. If you are working on a construction site, then this law covers you. As you know, union members, by virtue of being affiliated with the union and in that union contract, have union benefits that they've worked hard to accrue and that they deserve. When we take a case and we know that it is a union member who's been seriously injured, we know that any settlement we get, any verdict we get, has to account for those loss of benefits, because oftentimes construction workers who have been injured are never going to be able to go back to work. And if you are a union member, that means the pension credits that you were accruing, the health benefits that you were accruing, and those other fringe benefits that you worked so hard to get are likely gone. And so whenever we go to a mediation, whenever we go to trial, we come armed with some of the best experts in the field, in particular, economic experts who are going to be able to look at the benefits package that you are receiving today and forecast what those eventual benefits, that pension, that lifetime of medical care, what is that going to cost? What will that translate into today's dollars? And how can we convey those numbers to a jury? So while the law applies equally to union and non-union members, those are really the principal considerations we have when we take on a case and we have to fight and we have to recover for a union member.
Mathew, thanks so much for your answer. Thank you for educating the public. It's very important. And if somebody has specific questions about their case, they can always call for free consultation to the law firm of Gregory Spektor and Associates at the number we're going to give at the bottom of the screen. Gentlemen, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you,
Michael.